Hello everyone, this is Drishti and in this video we are going to discuss about the topic we left in the last video of the matrices. Just for a reminder, in the last video we all discussed about the types of matrices, about the addition or about the subtraction of matrices, and about the scalar multiplication also we have discussed. Further, in this video we are going to discuss about how the multiplication of matrices is possible, like two matrices, how they can be multiplied, what is the condition that they can be multiplied or the multiplication is not possible. So all these conditions we will see, and with some few examples. So let's get started with it. So now here we are going to study about multiplication of matrices. Here I have taken an example. This is a matrix A of 2 rows 2 columns, and this is a matrix B of 2 rows 2 columns. Now if I need to find AB, what is the condition that AB is possible? We have to remember number of columns of A if they are equal to number of rows of B. Only then AB is possible, otherwise multiplication of the matrix is not possible. So here AB is possible, and we will discuss later on that how we have to multiply this. First of all, let's consider some examples where multiplication is possible or not possible. For example, another example I am having is 3 2 and this is 1 5. Here the order is 1 row 2 columns, and here the order is 2 rows 1 column. Here this and this, they both are equal. Number of columns of this matrix is equal to number of columns of this matrix. Both are equal. So multiplication is possible. Now as multiplication is possible, what will be the resultant matrix? The order of resultant matrix is first row first column. It would be first row first column. Only one element will come out to be here. Next, another example we are having. Suppose this is a matrix of 2 rows 2 columns, and this is a matrix of 1 row and 2 columns, right? In this case we are having 2 the number of columns and 1 the number of rows. Both are not equal. So this shows multiplication, or we can write multiplication is not possible. Now why it is not possible? Because number of columns of this matrix is not equal to the number of rows of the second matrix. It is like this. If it is not possible, that means we cannot calculate the multiplication, or we cannot calculate AB. So let's take an example now. This is a matrix A and this is a matrix B. How we need to calculate the multiplication of matrix is, this is AB. I need to calculate AB. So I will write, first of all I have to check is it possible or not. This is 2 and 2. That means it is possible. Both are same. Number of columns of A is equal to number of rows of B. So that means AB is possible. And what will be the order of the matrix AB? 2 rows and 2 columns. This one. Right? Next, AB, when I am calculating, I will write the matrix as such. Since it is possible, no need to write the order below it. So this, you will just remember one thing, that you have to make an imaginary line like this. It is not required on the notebook, but it is just for you to understand easily. So if I need to calculate AB, what I will do is, this is row, this is column. We will multiply it like 1 into 6 is 6. 1 into 6 is 6 plus 8 into 2. 16, right? 1 into 3 is 3 plus 8 into 1 is 8. 2 rows 2 columns done. 5 6 are 30 and 3 2s are 6. 5 3s are 15 and 3 1s is 3. So here what we will get, we will always perform this by order should be same. First row with first complete column, then first row with second complete column. If there are third column also, then first row with complete third column. Same second row with first, second, third, or any number of columns. This is the way how to multiply. This line, always remember, should be imaginary in your mind. Now 16 plus 6 I am getting is 22. 8 plus 3 is 11. This is 36 and this is 18. So this is the value of AB I am getting. This is a matrix AB. Now similarly you can find BA also. It is not important that AB should be equal to BA. It might not be equal or it might be. So now we are having another question. Find X and Y if this is the thing which is given to us. This is 2 rows, 2 columns, 2 rows, 1 column. First I have to check is the multiplication possible or not. 2, 2, they both are same. So that means multiplication is possible. What will be the order? It will be 2 and 1. This would be the order of the matrix. So same way I will just make an imaginary line here. 4 5s are 20. It would be 2 rows, 1 column. Always remember 4 5s are 20 plus 3x into 1 is 3x. Okay, 2 rows, 1 column. This I will write as such. X into 5 is 5x. Minus 2 into 1 is minus 2. Right? So equating, because here equality of matrices, their order is also same. So by equality of matrices, we are having 5x minus 2 is equal to 8 and 20 plus 3x is equal to y. First of all, calculate x from here. 5x is equal to 10, x is equal to 2. Put this value of x here and we are getting 20 plus 3 into 2 is equal to y. So y I am getting as 26, right? So here now we are having this example. This is the matrix A, this is the matrix B, this is the matrix C. All are with 2 rows, 2 columns. So it is general that multiplication will always be possible no matter what. So this is, we need to calculate A of BC. So first of all, by Bodmer's rule only we know, first of all we need to solve the bracket. Whatever is there in the bracket, firstly we will calculate that. So BC we are going to calculate. Write the matrix 1 4 2 3 and it is 4 1 3 2, right? It would be of 2 rows, 2 columns, that I already know. Making an imaginary line here, 1 4s are 4, 2 1s are 2, 1 3s are 3 plus 2 2s are 4, 4 4s are 16 plus 3 1s are 3. 4 3s are 12 plus 3 2s are 6, right? So calculating this, we are having 6, 18, 7, it is 19. So 2 rows, 2 columns, I am getting this matrix as BC, and then I will also calculate A of BC. So write the matrix A 1 2 3 4 as such, and then also write this matrix, that is 6 7 19 18. So solving them, again making an imaginary line, 1 6 are 6 plus 19 into 3 is equal to 57. 1 7s are 7 plus 18 into 3 is 54. 6 2s are 12. So here it was 6 2s are 12 plus 19 into 4 is 76. Then it is 2 into 7 is 14 plus 18 into 4 is 72. So solving this, what I am getting is 6 plus 57 is equal to 63. 7 plus 54 is equal to 61. 12 plus 76 is equal to 88. And 14 plus 72 is equal to 86. This is a 2 rows, 2 column matrix which is A of BC, right? So here we are having another question. Find the matrix M if this is the condition already given to me. This is 2 rows, 2 columns matrix. firstly we will calculate what might be the order of the matrix M, so that this should come out to be the result. First of all, this is number of columns, so number of rows of matrix M should be 2 only. Okay, now the left part is 1, 2 into 1, that means the order of the matrix is 2 into 1. So let it should be like this. Let it be x and y. Let M is equal to x and y, 2 rows, 1 column. So writing it here, 2, 5, 5, 2, and this is a matrix M, x and y, and this is minus 7 and 14. Now simply multiplying the two matrices, we are having 2x plus 5y, 5x plus 2y is equal to minus 7, 14. By equality of matrix, we are getting 2x plus 5y is equal to minus 7 and 5x plus 2y is equal to 14. Since here nothing is common, by elimination, multiply this part with 2 and multiply this part with 5. What we are getting here is 4x plus 10y is equal to minus 14. 25x plus 10y is equal to 14 into 5, that is 70. So subtracting the two matrices, we are getting here is minus 21x, this is cancelled, and here I am getting is minus 84. So from here x is equal to minus 84 by minus 21, which is further equal to 4. So here I am getting x is equal to 4. Put this x is equal to 4 in any one of this. I am putting this in first equation. Okay. So 2x plus 5y is equal to minus 7. 2 of 4 plus 5y is equal to minus 7. So 5y is minus 7. Here it was plus 8. There it became minus 8. So it is minus 15. So y is equal to minus 3 finally. So here this is the value of x is equal to 4 and y is equal to minus 3. So the matrix M is actually equal to 4 minus 3. So now this is another example I am having, that is A is this matrix, B is this matrix, C is this matrix. They want us to find A square minus A plus BC. What I need to do is A square. A square, you need to remember, it is A and A, that is 4, 6 minus 2 minus 3. 4, 6 minus 2 minus 3. Okay, this is a matrix A square. You will also calculate BC matrix, write matrix B, write matrix C, and then calculate by general things we have already done, and put all those values in this, and by simple addition or subtraction of matrices you guys can calculate A square minus A plus BC. So what all things for all this multiplication of matrices, what you guys need to remember is, the things you need to remember is how to calculate A square, okay, how to do the scalar multiplication of matrices, like multiplying 3 by a matrix, just for an overview of the two videos, and it would be like this is a scalar multiplication. Next we guys can also calculate, you should know what is identity matrix, that is 1 0 0 1 if it is a 2 row 2 column matrix, and you also need to know that when is AB possible, that is when number of columns of this matrix and number of rows of this matrix, when they guys are equal, only then we can calculate the matrix AB. So with this, you guys can cover the 4 exercises of your chapter matrices of class 10th. And with this, all the questions, the things we have done today, with that your section C, exercise C and exercise D, they both can be covered, and exercise A and D can be covered by the last video. So with this, our chapter matrices gets over. Thank you.